Hello everyone, welcome back to English Stories, your go-to place for learning English. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most important skills in any language, introducing yourself. Whether you're meeting new people, starting a new job, or just practicing your English, knowing how to introduce yourself is essential. So, let's get started. First, let's go over the basics. When you introduce yourself, you usually start with your name. For example, you can say, "Hi, my name is Sarah." Simple, right? But there's so much more you can add to make your introduction more interesting and informative. Step 1. Name. As I mentioned, start with your name. You can also include a greeting like hello or hi. For example, hello, my name is Sarah. Step 2. Location. You can mention where you're from or where you live. For example, I'm from New York, USA, or I live in Tokyo, Japan. This gives the person you're talking to a bit more context about you. Step 3. Occupation or studies. Talk about what you do for a living or what you're studying. For example, I work as a software engineer, or I'm a student at Tokyo University. This helps the other person understand your daily life and interests. Step 4. Hobbies and interests. Share something about what you like to do in your free time. For example, in my free time, I enjoy painting and hiking. This can be a great way to find common ground with the person you're talking to. Step 5. Fun fact. Adding a fun fact about yourself can make your introduction more memorable. For example, a fun fact about me is that I love to travel and have visited over 15 countries. Now, let's put it all together. Here's an example of a complete self-introduction. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from New York, USA, and I work as a software engineer. In my free time, I enjoy painting and hiking. A fun fact about me is that I love to travel and have visited over 15 countries. See, it's that easy. Now, let's look at how you can introduce yourself in different situations. Situation 1. Job interview. When you're in a job interview, your introduction should be professional and concise. Here's an example. Hello, my name is Sarah. I recently graduated from New York University with a degree in computer science. I have experience working in software development and I'm excited about the opportunity to join your team. In a job interview, it's important to highlight your education and experience. Keep it professional and focused on your qualifications. Situation 2. Social event. When you're at a social event, your introduction can be more casual and personal. Here's an example. Hi, I'm Sarah. I live in Tokyo, Japan, and I work as a software engineer. In my free time, I love hiking and exploring new places. How about you? At social events, it's great to share a bit about your hobbies and interests. This can help you connect with others on a personal level. Situation 3. Networking event. When you're at a networking event, your introduction should be professional but also engaging. Here's an example. Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm a software engineer at Tech Solutions. I specialize in web development and I'm passionate about creating user-friendly applications. I'm here to connect with like-minded professionals and learn more about the latest trends in technology. Networking events are a great opportunity to highlight your professional skills and interests. Be sure to mention what you're passionate about and what you're looking to achieve. Situation 4. Classroom setting. When you're introducing yourself in a classroom setting, it's important to share your academic background and interests. Here's an example. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a student at Tokyo University majoring in computer science. I'm really interested in artificial intelligence and I'm looking forward to learning more about machine learning this semester. In a classroom setting, it's helpful to share your academic focus and what you're excited to learn. This can help you connect with your classmates and professors. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Stories for more English learning tips. Leave a comment below with your self-introduction and I'll be sure to check it out. See you next time.